Guys, check out one of the things I picked up from Hamcation in Orlando. This is a dinosaur. Let's see if we can get it running. It's 1995 and I'm 15 years old. I just passed my technician's license for ham radio, and I'm super excited because my dad takes me down to this ham radio store where I get to pick out my very own first ham radio, and I find a used Kenwood TH-215 2-meter ham radio, and I thought, man, this thing is awesome. It has like 10 memory channels, and it operates on one band, and it's humongous, and it's perfect. It's awesome. It's everything I ever wanted in a ham radio. And I was super excited about it, guys. And I used that thing and I took it everywhere and I loved it. I was in Civil Air Patrol, and so it had the Mars Cap mod, and we did some search and rescue stuff in Civil Air Patrol, some ground team stuff. I carried this radio everywhere. And then as time went on, I became less active in the ham radio hobby. I always maintained my license, but I didn't do anything with ham radio for a very long time. And then somehow I lost the radio and all of the components. I don't know. I don't even know what happened to it in the time. Maybe it was when I moved to Florida or whatever. It just got tossed. It didn't work anymore. I don't even know. But over time, basically, I lost the radio. And so when I was walking by the table at Hamcation and saw this guy selling not just one, but two Kenwood TH-215s, I went up to him and I was like, hey man, what do you want for those? And he's like, well, he's like, I don't know. I don't even know if they work, blah, blah, blah. They were my dad's, and, you know, we haven't done anything with them. And I kind of told him the story. I was like, that was my first ham radio when I was 15 years old. And I've been always wanting to find one that works, ever since. And he said, here, they're yours. You can have them. So I want to thank him. I don't even know his name or his call sign, but if you ever come across this video, thanks for giving these to me. I'm super excited about it. Guys, I'm Kevin, and this is Comms by Kemp Outside, where your inside source for outdoor comms. And as much as I love reviewing new radios and getting new stuff, the ham hobby isn't just about new gear, guys. A lot of times it's about old gear. It's about going to those ham radio fests and finding stuff on the table that maybe to 99% of the people that walk by it, it's total junk or trash, but to you, it's a treasure. And in this case, if I can get this thing working, it's a treasure. I'm super excited about it. So let's just show you what I got, right? So I've got, two of these radio bodies that came with two rubber duck antennas. I think this is the original one. I think this is the one that came with mine. I think that one's an aftermarket, but I don't know. Guys, if anybody is an expert on 2-meter ham radio antennas from the 1980s, early 90s, if you want to tell me what that is, I would appreciate it. This radio doesn't have a belt clip, but this one does. This one, the screen is jacked up, so I don't know if this one's going to work at all. Well, we're going to try it. And then this one looks to be in the better condition of the two. I did get one battery with it, right? And this is the smaller of the two. This is a PB2 8.4 volt, 1600 milliamp hour battery, right? So, and it is definitely dead, right? I turn the radio on and nothing happens. So let's see, what else did I get? I got, really cool, I got a Kenwood speaker mic, and this is their little mini speaker mic, right? So it was worth it just in itself. I don't even know what those go for, but speaker mics, especially Kenwood speaker mics, are expensive. I got the 12 volt power supply. And then on top of that, where did it go? I got the Kenwood, AC adapter, right? So we're gonna try and plug this stuff in and just see what happens, right? All right, guys, so the bummer is this battery charger plug did not work. The indicator light did not light up when I plugged it in. I don't even know how to crack this thing open. Again, I am not an electronics expert, guys. This is not, you know, I'm not super adept at this stuff. So I don't know how to fix this, but I might ask someone in my local ham club if they know how to fix stuff like this, because it would be really nice if that worked. I've got to go get a 12 volt power supply so we can plug this in and see if we can get these radios to power up. So stay tuned. All right, guys, so here we go. First, we're going to try the one with the busted screen just to see if we can get this to power on. So plug that in. We got audio. Squelch works. I have no idea what the screen says. I just typed in 146520. Let me go ahead and test it, see if we get anything over here on my VGC. KB8 WPD testing. I'm not getting any audio, and I'm not getting anything that indicates transmit. So we have to figure this one out, because there's no way to know what we're on here. So I'm going to just set this one aside, maybe come back to that. And then let's go ahead and test this one with the screen that does work. Plug that in. Oh man. Guys, it's on. There's the screen. It's on 14652, so let's, yep, squelch works. Let's go ahead and give it a try. KB8 WPD testing. So it transmitted, but no audio. So I wonder if that's a mic problem. Let's go ahead and try the speaker mic just real quick, just to see. Maybe the mic is bad in here. All right, we plug the speaker mic in. I don't have enough hands, but let's see if we hear something. Okay. Whoop. Let me turn down that volume. KB8 WPD testing. Hey, this works. Sweet. Adjust the squelch a little bit. Wow, that's awesome, guys. So I highly doubt that this battery will take a charge anymore. So it looks like I have to see if anybody knows where to find TH-215 batteries, right? Modern day batteries for this. This would be awesome. And I know someone's going to comment, oh, just crack the thing open and replace the cells. And guys, I think you're overestimating my ability to do stuff like that. Not that I'm not willing to try, although batteries sometimes make me a little nervous. But if anybody has a tutorial on that, or knows of a YouTube channel or something, somebody that's done that, I'd love to watch it and check it out. But guys, I'm super excited about this, that this would work. It's definitely worth it to me to get it back up and running, just for the fun of it. I'm really interested in being able to get a battery for it, and I wonder what it would take to fix the mic. You know, I'm guessing that it's the mic because it works in the speaker mic and doesn't work on the radio. I got to figure out what I'm going to do with these, but I'm super excited to get it to work. So drop some in the comments below, guys. You tell me, if you had something like this, what would you do with it, right? And keep in mind, yes, I know it's not a Vero, you know, VGC, you know, it's not even a Baofeng Mini, which I just reviewed, right? It's not even a UV5R, right? But it's still stinking cool. I just got to figure out what I'm going to do with it. So drop some in the comments below if you have a suggestion for me of what to do with it, or what you would do with it if it's yours. Or if you guys still run the TH-215, guys, let me know down in the comments. Guys, I'm Kevin, and this is Comms by Kemp Outside. We're your inside source for outdoor comms. Guys, I hope you just found this video fun. I'm super excited. I just got to figure out what I'm going to do with it now. So And maybe I can get a wall supply. Maybe I can get some batteries. Sky's the limit with this thing, guys. So thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.